Welcome to Outing Journal. It's me Rame. So I came here to Shajipo to buy the hand carry. I'm going to Philippines. So I'm very excited. So I've just come here. So let's find the hand carry. I found the shop, but I want to look some more shop for the hand carry. Like I don't think so I can find another one. Let's go there. So I found some hand carry. I'm liking this one for around 170, which is like how much, like around 25 US dollar. As you can see, I'm liking this one, or around maybe how much is like 170, maybe around 1,200 300 peso. I'm liking this color, and there are a bunch of hand carry behind me because I'm going to Luzon and Mindanao. I mean Manila and Mindanao, Davao. So I am looking for a hand carry, thinking which one to buy. So I'm also liking the yellow one. So for my Manila and Mindanao trip, I'm not sure which one is good. I'm liking all of them. There's some more colors. Oh, this green look much better. Maybe let me just check this green. This one is also nice. I'm trying to do the measurement because I'm flying in the Cebu Air. In the Cebu Air, they are very strict about the luggage. Yes, flying with Cebu Air, I need a perfect hand carry for Cebu Air. So maximum is 56. Okay, it's like okay under. And what is the depth? Depth is okay, around 23, and width is around 36.
350.
So you can see basically 23, 56 and 36. So this one is also quite nice. For Cebu Air, it's very strict. I'm liking this one. This one is better quality. Let me find some more. Because flying with Walaikum Assalam.
How are you? Are you YouTuber?
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber. Yeah.
So you make all the YouTube.
Yeah, I make travel content.
You have any number?
Yeah, I can give you my channel.
Oh, you have a channel. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm also a bag supplier.
Oh, quite nice.
I'm in a Hong Kong brand.
Okay. Well, that's quite nice.
Yeah, I give my. Maybe you can add my Instagram. This is my brand. This is my brand. YJ.
Okay, I will add you. Can I take a picture?
Yeah, take a picture, please. And then you send me your contact also.
Yeah, I will just send here.
I want to make a video. That's what I'm asking.
Yeah,
you.
definitely.
Okay.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks. Jazakallah. So I'm confused. Like for Cebu Air, it's very strict. Like with Cebu Air, they will not allow any like luggage like hand carry which is about this size. I'm still confused. I like the yellow one also, and then that one inside also. So I'm still confused. Like which one is the perfect for my Mindanao trip? I'm just thinking. 200蚊係咪？
俾錢啦，講極都係。
我影相啊！
你影去邊啊？
俾啊睇個老婆。
影個老婆啊？
係啊，買呢個啦。
俾錢咪得咯。
好啊，係200蚊係咪？係咪200？係咯。哇，多謝晒。
多謝晒你啦嚇。
好，新年見咯，拜拜。新年快樂。So I already got this one. So make sure to subscribe. I pay around 1,400 peso for this hand carry. Make sure to subscribe, and I have to say bye. Already got the hand carry. I'm very excited. for my Mindanao and Manila trip. I'm visiting Mindanao and then I'm visiting the Luzon, Manila. So I'm very excited. So make sure to subscribe, and I have to say you bye. Yeah, I hope I'm really liking this one. I have to say bye.